Good morning, grade 4. How are you today? Today is Tuesday. It is the 14th day of April 2020. Today, inshallah, we will complete our lesson in Unit 15, page 126. So please open your language book, page 126. The title of our lesson is The Olympic Games. The Olympic Games. Okay. In the previous lesson, we said that the Olympic Games are the most important sporty or athletic competition in the world. So many athletes or players or a person who plays sports from all over the world come to take part or to participate or to share or to join in the Olympic Games, and there is 1 billion people watch the Olympic Games on TV. And we said what is the meaning of ancient, and the meaning of ancient is very old. What is the opposite of ancient? The opposite of ancient is modern. Okay, in the first paragraph we took the ancient Olympic Games and we said it started 3,000 years ago in Olympia, and just men can participate or can race. Women could not race. Okay, and we said that we have 5 games. The first one is running races. The second is wrestling. Be careful, we have 2 silent letters, W and T are silent. Wrestling. And jumping, throwing spears, and racing with carts or chariots. And also we said that the first winner just took or won a prize, and the second, the third winner won nothing. In the second paragraph, we talked about the modern Olympic Games, and we said that this person is Baron de Coubertin, is the first person who started thinking about the modern Olympic Games in 1894. Okay, and he said that the most important thing in the Olympic game is not winning. So, what is the most important thing in the Olympic Games? What is the most important thing in the modern Olympic Games? The most important thing in the modern Olympic Games is just taking part, is not winning. It is just taking part or participate. Okay, today inshallah we will start with the third paragraph and the fourth paragraph, just the third and the fourth paragraph. Okay. Let's start reading. The first new Olympic Games. In 1896, Baron de Coubertin organized the first modern Olympic Games in Athens. So, we said before that Baron de Coubertin is the first one who started thinking with what? With the Olympic Games in 1896. Okay, he started to organize. What's the meaning of organized? Organized means arranged. The first modern Olympic Games in Athens. Athens is the capital city of Greece. What does that mean? هلا Amman is the capital city of Jordan. Baghdad is the capital city of Iraq. Damascus is the capital city of Syria. Okay, and Athens, it is a name of the capital city of Greece. Is the capital city of Greece. And because it is a name of a city, so it is a proper noun. And we must write it in capital letter. 14 countries came and athletes competed in different sports. So how many countries came to the first modern Olympic Games? In the first new Olympic Games, how many countries come to first modern Olympic Games? 14 countries. So how many countries? 14 countries came and athletes, and we said that athletes means a person who plays sport or the player. This is an athlete and this is an athlete, a person who plays sports. Okay? Competed means to play. Competed, played in different sports. The games were very popular. The games were very popular. Popular. What's the meaning of popular? Popular means public. That's mean many people knows what? The games. So the games are known or public or popular. Many people came to watch the athletes. Many people came to watch the athletes. Okay. So the most important points in this paragraph that, first of all, the first new Olympic Games started in 1896. Excellent. By, what is the name of the person who started this games? Baron de Coubertin. Excellent. Okay. How many countries came to first modern Olympic Games? 14 countries taking part. Excellent. Okay. And all the games are popular. All the games were, popular. Excellent. Let's move to the other paragraph. The Olympic Games now. Now means what? In our days. Nowadays. Okay? The Olympic Games now. The Olympic Games take place. And what is the meaning of take place? Taking part. Excellent. Every 4 years in countries all over the world. In countries all over the world. So, how often do the Olympics take place? How often? Every 4 years. Every 4 years. It is not yearly. It is not in every year. Not in every month. Not every 2 years. It is every 4 years. Look here. Men and women can now compete in the games. So in the ancient Olympic Games, just men can compete. Women could not race. But nowadays, men and women can compete in the Olympics. So this is the difference between the ancient Olympic Games and the Olympic Games now. In the ancient Olympic Games, just men can race. Just men can compete. Women could not compete or race. But nowadays, men and women can now compete. More countries come now, and there are more sports in the competition. Okay, so nowadays more sports in the competitions, in the races. In the ancient Olympic Games, there were just 5 games, but now more sports in the competition. So here we have 2 questions we want to answer them. How often do the Olympics or the Olympic Games take place? How often? Every what? Every year? No. Every month? No. Every 10 years? No. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. Every 4 years. The second question is, who can compete in the games now? Who can compete in the games now? Men and women can compete in the Olympic Games now. So, I will read the 2 paragraphs again. The first new Olympic Games. In 1896, Baron de Coubertin organized. Okay, can you tell me what is the part of a speech of organized? Excellent. It is a past verb. It is a past verb. It is regular verb. Organize, organized, organized. The past participle of organize is organized. The first modern. We said that modern means new. Okay, can you tell me what is the part of speech of modern? Modern. It is a verb? No. Maybe a noun? No. The correct answer is it is an adjective. Excellent. It is an adjective. Okay, look at the word countries. I will write it here. Countries. Countries. What is the part of speech of countries? Excellent. It is a plural noun. It is a plural noun. Okay, what is the singular noun? We said 10 countries and 1 country. Excellent. Country. Okay. We said that if we want to change the noun from singular to plural, we add s or es. But here we have y. Here in country, we have y. So if the sentence ends with y, we deleted y, change it to I, then we add es. So country is singular. Singular. Just one. One country and 10 countries. 10 countries. Came. What is the part of speech of came? Came, it is the past of what? Past verb of what? Come. Excellent. Come, came. Type. The games were very popular. Popular. What is the part of speech of popular? Popular means public or known. What is the part of speech of public? Public. It is an adjective. It is an adjective. Many people came to watch the athletes. Athletes, it is the plural noun of athlete. Athlete means one athlete, and athletes more than one athlete. So, look at this question. How many countries came to the first modern Olympic Games? How many countries came to the first modern Olympic Games? The answer is 14. The answer is 14 countries came. Okay. The Olympic Games now. The Olympic Games now. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years in countries all over the world. Men and women can now compete in the games. More countries come now, and there are more sports in the competition. So, here we have two questions. The first one, how often do the Olympics take place? The answer is every 4 years. The second question, who can compete in the games now? Who can compete in the games now? The answer is men and women. Men and women. Men. It is the plural of man. We said that one man and 5 men. What about women? It is the plural of women. Excellent. So, look at this picture. And look at this picture. Okay, this picture in 1896. The first Olympic Games. And this picture is about the Olympic Games now. Okay, please teacher underline the new words. Okay, and write the meaning above it. Write the question and circle the answers. Write the questions and circle the answers. This is our lesson today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will complete the last 2 paragraphs. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.